Today we are going to start our chapter Polynomial, class 9th. Before starting this chapter, let's recapitulate some important terms we read in class 8th, that is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variable connected by arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's take few examples of algebraic expression. 3x squared plus 2y squared plus 3 by x squared. Or we can take example 2x cubed plus 3xy plus 2 by y squared. Here we observe the arithmetic operations are addition and multiplication, and constant terms are 3, 2, 3, and variables are x and y. So next topic is polynomial. What is polynomials? Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only whole numbers as an exponent. For example, 3x squared plus 2y squared plus 3xy. Let's compare these two. Here it is an algebraic expression, but it is a polynomial. The difference between these two is that here we use 3 by x squared, means 3 by x squared is equal to 3 into x raised to power minus 2. So you observe the exponent of x is not a whole number. So we can say that every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. In this chapter we will discuss the polynomial with degree with one variable. So if we take the polynomial with one variable, means we have to use only one variable, we can't use two variables. 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. It is an example of polynomial with one variable. A polynomial with variable 1 with one variable x is an algebraic expression of the form Px is equal to an x raised to power n plus a n minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1 and so on a2 x raised to power 2 plus ax plus a0, where a0, a1, a2 and so on an are constants and an should not be 0. A polynomial in one variable, for example, px is equal to 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x, or we can take px is equal to 2x 4 plus 3x square. So these are the examples of a polynomial in one variable. Next term. The term is a part of polynomial separated by the sign of addition or subtraction. Let's take an example. 3x square plus 2x minus 5. It is a polynomial in one variable. It has three terms. One is 3x square, second is 2x and minus 5. So terms are 3x square, 2x and minus 5. Coefficient the constant associated with with variable is coefficient. Example, if 3x square plus 2x minus 5 is a polynomial, then coefficient of x square, as we observe, the constant term with x square is 3, so coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x is equal to 2. Degree of a polynomial, the highest power of variable in a polynomial is called the degree of a polynomial. For example, we have a polynomial px is equal to 3x raised to power 5 plus 4x raised to power 6. So degree of this polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? If we observe, the highest power of variable is 6. So degree of this polynomial is 6. If px is equal to 3x raised to power 9 plus 2x raised to power 8, then degree of px is equal to 9. Let's start classification of polynomials. Polynomials can be classified on the basis of number of terms and on the basis of degree of the polynomial. First, we start on the basis of number of terms. First is monomials. As we know, mono means one or single. So, a polynomial containing one non-zero term is called monomials. Let's take the example of monomial 2x 4y 3x square, etc. Here we observe this polynomial contains only one term 2x, it contains one term 4y, it contains one term 3x square. So these are monomials. Second is binomials. As we know, the bi means 2 and binomial means a polynomial containing two non-zero terms. Polynomial containing two non-zero terms. Example 3x plus 4 or 2x 5 plus 3x square. These are the example of binomials. They contain two terms 3x and 4, 2x raised to power 5 and 3x square. Next is trinomial. The word trinomial, here tri means 3. It means polynomial containing three non-zero terms. Polynomial containing three non-zero terms is called trinomial. Here we have the example 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4. Next, the classification of polynomials on the basis of degree of a polynomial. As we know, the degree means the highest power of the variable. So first is constant polynomial. From the word constant, we can find that the polynomial contains only one term which is constant. So, a polynomial of degree 0 is called constant polynomial. For example, 3 minus 2, 7. If we write it as 3 is equal to 3 into 1 or 3 into x raised to power 0. Since we observe here the exponent of x is 0, means power of variable is 0. If power of variable is 0, then it is constant polynomial, because here the degree of this polynomial 3 is 0. So it is a constant polynomial. Next is linear polynomial. This linear polynomial is a polynomial of degree 1. Example 3x plus 2. Here we observe the highest power of variable is 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1. If degree of a polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. The general form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. There a should not be equal to 0. Third is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2. For example, 3x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 3. If we observe here, the degree of this polynomial is 2 because the highest power of x is 2. That's the degree of this polynomial is 2. If degree of a polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. In general, we can write it as ax square plus bx plus c, where a cannot be 0. Because if a is equal to 0, then ax square becomes 0. If it becomes 0, then we are left with this term only, bx plus c, which is a linear polynomial. So we have to remember that a should not be 0. Fourth one is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3. 3 is called cubic polynomial. Example, 4x cube plus 3x square. It is a cubic polynomial because degree of polynomial is 3, as the highest power of the variable is 3. That's why it is called cubic. The general form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a should not be 0. Now we have a special case which is zero polynomial. If px is equal to 0, then it is called zero polynomial. The degree of zero polynomial is undefined because we can write 0 is equal to 0 into x, or 0 is equal to 0 into x cube, 0 into x raised to power 2, 0 into x raised to power 4, 0 into x raised to power 5, and so on. So we can't decide the degree of this 0. That's why the degree of zero polynomial is undefined.